What is the best method to remove wax from fabric without using an iron?
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to delve into the world of fabric care and learn about how to remove wax from fabric without using an iron. Removing wax can be a tricky task, especially if you don't want to use an iron or if you're dealing with delicate materials that can't be ironed. But don't worry, we've got your back.
Why can't I use an iron?
First things first, let's talk about why you might not want to use an iron. Sometimes, fabrics are too delicate to withstand the heat of an iron, or you might be dealing with a situation where you simply don't have access to one. It's always good to have a backup plan for these situations.
What will I need?
The method we'll use today requires some household items. You'll need a blunt knife or a spoon, a freezer or ice cubes, paper towels, a hairdryer. All of these are pretty common, and hopefully, you already have them at home.
How to remove the wax?
Now, let's get to the main event. Here's the step-by-step guide on how to remove wax from fabric without using an iron. Step 1. Allow the wax to harden first. Let the wax cool and harden completely. Trying to remove it while it's still hot can end up spreading it further. Step 2. Scrape off the wax. Use a blunt knife or a spoon to carefully scrape off as much of the hardened wax as possible. Be careful not to damage the fabric. Step 3. Freeze the fabric. Put the fabric in the freezer for about an hour or apply ice cubes to the waxed area. This will make the remaining wax brittle and easier to scrape off. Step 4. Scrape off more wax after freezing. Take out the fabric and scrape off more of the wax. You'll find that it comes off much easier now. Step 5. Apply heat with a hairdryer. Cover the remaining wax stain with a paper towel and use a hairdryer to apply heat. The wax will start to melt and get absorbed into the paper towel. Be sure to keep moving the paper towel to a clean spot as it absorbs the wax to avoid spreading it further. Step 6. Repeat if necessary. Repeat steps 4 and 5 if any wax remains. And there you have it. This is a simple and effective method to remove wax from fabric without using an iron. Remember to be gentle with your fabric to avoid causing any damage. Thanks for tuning in, and we hope this video helps you keep your fabrics wax-free and looking their best.